Let's talk about question 2 on your Unit 9 4.0 practice sheet. This is the question. A local gym charges members a $50 sign-up fee plus a $35 monthly fee. The total cost of the membership in dollars is C of X equals 50 plus 35X, where X is the number of months that you are a member. So X represents the number of months you're a member. That's your input. Your C of X right here your C of X represents your cost. That's your output. So the first thing it tells you to do is find the inverse of the function. So I'm going to start by writing it as y equals 50 plus 35x. And then I'm going to flip-flop the x and y. So x equals 50 plus 3y. Subtract 50 from both sides. And divide by 3. So my inverse of my cost is x over 3 minus 50 over 3. Or x minus 50 over 3 altogether. So then question B says, what do x and c inverse of x represent in the context of the inverse function? So if in the original function, x represented the number of months and c of x was the cost, in our inverse function, x is going to be the cost, and the c inverse of x is going to be the number of months. So just remember that inverse, we flip-flop that input and output. So what they represent is also flip-flopped. And so this new function tells us that the number of months equals the cost divided by 3 minus 50 divided by 3. So if this says how many months was someone a member if they paid a total of $680, then I'm looking for the number of months. And my x in this case, and my inverse function up here, would represent my cost, and so my cost was 680. So 680 divided by 3 minus 50 divided by 3. And at this point, we can just type that into our calculator, or you can do it in your head. Either way, you're going to get 210. And so the answer is 210 months. That's how long you would have to be a member if you're paying $680.